What's going on, guys? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best camera for newborn photography. I have made this list based on shooting modes, connectivity technology, special feature, and more. I have included options for every type of consumer. Check the links in the description if you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Nikon Z6. Nikon Z6 certainly earned the title of the best camera for child photography. It's a versatile, all-around camera that shows overall excellence in every photography niche. This versatile Nikon camera flaunted a fabulous display of my photos. The fast processing engine of the camera is as quick as my child, which responds in a flash while supporting the AF system. The potent sensor is at the top of all, which has furnished the system with endless traits like a 4K marker that has benefited me in capturing the charming photographs of my child. The 4K incredible power, along with the fantastic 6K time-lapse, is no exception. It has shown up as a knack with eye-catching toning and contrast fidelity in my photographs and videos. The images I have captured have occurred admiringly tempting with nicely attention-grabbing colors and textures. All of the outcomes have come as a masterwork with a realistic effect. Number 2. Sony A73. This model is designed to become a working tool for both professional photographers and enthusiasts, offering high-quality photo and video shooting. It is convenient to hold this lightweight and compact camera in hands. The main advantage of Sony A73 is a 24.3 megapixel matrix with reverse illumination. The range of sensitivity is extended to 204/800 ISO. In addition, Sony A73 has excellent autofocus, 693 points of phase focusing, both when taking photos and recording video. This function is very important for shooting newborns. This camera for baby photos features useful modern functions, which make it even more mobile. For example, you can charge the device using power bank through the USB Type-C port. Number 3. Fujifilm X T30. This is one of the best cameras for newborn photography that is designed in a retro style. It will be interesting to amateurs who don't know all the particularities of manual settings and photo editing yet. Also, it will be suitable for experienced photographers who are looking for a lightweight and compact device. The Fujifilm X T30 is small-sized, so it is very convenient to hold it in hands. Though the price isn't high, the camera takes high quality and detailed newborn pictures thanks to the APS-C sensor. This universal device features excellent shooting, as well as smooth and intuitive control features. Moreover, the top-class AF system provides fast and accurate focusing, which allows capturing those memorable newborn moments with ease. This camera for baby photography has an intuitive touch-tilt LCD that allows you to take pictures from the most difficult viewing angles. Number 4. Olympus EM103. The Olympus OMD EM10 Mark III is a portable and, more importantly, multifunctional body offered at a reasonable price. It's small and lightweight, which is why it can be considered the best camera for baby photos and other portraits as well. Thanks to the 5-axis stabilizer, the camera can take smear-free images with long exposure times of a couple of seconds, which allows using minimal ISO settings even at nighttime. Newborn photos taken with this camera will please you with lively and vibrant colors, great color reproduction, and perfect details. Besides, the camera is capable of recording 4K video in decent quality, which may make it the best camera for newborn photography for you. Number 5. Nikon D5600. The Nikon D5600 is a very good camera for beginners, as it is lightweight, convenient, portable, and easy to operate. Most settings have tips which will help you quickly master shooting control. Touchscreen provides a friendly and intuitive interface, which is familiar to anyone who has a smartphone or tablet. With its first-class auto mode, even those who are just starting their way in newborn photography will enjoy shooting and excellent results. The Nikon D5600 has a fully articulated display, with a large number of intuitive touch operations. Though the Nikon D5600 isn't the best camera for baby pictures and isn't perfect for professional shooters, but it will be a great option for those who has a limited budget. Check the links in the description if you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned. I will try to keep it updated for the best prices. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped you out, please give the video a like and hit the subscribe button. I hope to see you guys in the following video. Till next time, I will see you later.